Okay, replace the side lock. Verify all the parts are included, 2 springs, the bolt, the head, and the push pin. The larger spring goes into the side lock cavity, followed by the push pin. Depress the push pin fully. Place the smaller spring on the tab. Insert the larger spring to the side, the push pin into the side, depress fully. The smaller spring goes on the tab. The tab fits into the hole at the top of the ratchet. Edit that out. Tighten the bolt while depressing the button. Release the bolt. To replace the head kit and the ratchet, use a Torx bit to remove the 2 screws from the back of the ratchet head. And a smaller Torx bit to remove the screw from the front plate. Lift out the old ratchet head. And switch from the back. Ensure all the parts are included. And 3 screws. We'll begin by inserting the switch in the back of the ratchet head. The pawls are lettered R for right, L for left. Insert the spring between the pawl and the ratchet body. While securing the pawls with your finger, move the position switch to the other side. Insert the second spring. The gear. Lock ring. Faceplate. The small screw goes in the faceplate side. don't over tighten. Flip the ratchet. Insert the 2 back screws.